lo, nyonuru lo jajwo. I don't want to say much, but I'm going to say this. I was with Raila throughout most of the time. Even when we left Fort Kenya, I was with him. We went to NDP together. And I remember in 97 when he came to Nakuru, myself and Honorable Ouda now, who used to be my youth, we went to Massive Ferguson and told them we wanted to test their Tinga. They gave us the Tinga. We went and got him as he was entering Nakuru and took him up to STEM Hotel with the Massive Ferguson Tinga. I have been there. In 1982, some of you don't know, you only see me in this siasa. I'm the one of the first women who was said that I was with my brother as he was picked to go to detention. I was forced by the society to be one of the first women exilees. I went living in Uganda, Tanzania, and ended up in Zimbabwe. When my brother was supposed to be taken back to detention in 1990, he was asked where he wanted to go. He said, I'm going to Norway to my sister. Raila became a refugee in Norway, staying with me, Ruth Odinga. I'm just saying this to show you that this was a stoic man. The family has suffered because he sacrificed himself. Some of you are looking here, you don't know what Mama Ida has gone through. I used to know, I stayed with her. Being alone without your husband for all those years, the 9 years, I didn't see people mentioning. Some of these men, my fellow colleagues, even MPs here, to hear just about a cell, I was saying, you know, Raila won't go to Yedonga Jela, he got quiet to Donga Jela, he got shell, Ario, Nakochi, Commander the Choko Hog the two, or Tuan Kosokatuan, or Tuan Kosokatuan, or Chandana Kenya Kosoko Chandana Kenya. Nyakamane Koro Mogikni Raila Toka Podi Kenya. Anyo go Kodwambaka. Anyo oro jogi mo wacho ni mono nyeona ticket. Ago ero kamano ne joma ne Raila out to last minute. Jomoko go ga joma ni around Raila to mage nyithind Raila. Sala njiwe wakani salo cage. Ne vedo ki Raila kamora mora. Ago ne ero kamano. Ago ka ero kamano. Ne ogeta. Maurice. Ogeta Maurice walo analuongera ni ground and ground. No changi sendi ogeta. Saniti ne izo chopa iwa ya ground. Chieng ni duoge yuda ground. Ogeta ki wani neno. Gi Dr. Lunya. Gi wini nyaka wuor. Gabiango. Onge gima teki neno ngama tuon Raila ka koro nindo pinjo kama okika wondu onge gima tek. Da tego nindo. Wako ni koro baba zigi kwe. Okno yotnwa. Doturwa. Anamor. Natnyuchul bungan laktar mako dinga. Ane laktar mati edu jite chakre Dr. Burma wado manikani. Nyamera monu chanan go India. Ilungo ni beri la chiengu. Kodo tuo ko nyacho. To nyamera kane tuo to monya ya to open be safe and laktar. Kano di oro na ticket. Monda dia bed code kaka laktar. Ana wona neno kaka la molo digo to. Na tiwa digi kwe. And what you said about our party must remain. You told me that at 8 in the evening, the day before you passed on in the morning. It was only a weak party. We must be united. ODM must be united. And it must be strong. And if it is not strong, if it is not strong, ODM! 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 must unite. We cannot have an ODM in Guinea-Huko, another ODM being led by some other people, another ODM being led with a few people who think they own the party. ODM belongs to all of us. Some of you who want to take it now don't even know how we started ODM. ODM in Malwa. And we are going to go to any negotiation table with a strong, united, one ODM.
I now want to take this opportunity to invite my sister, Dr. Wenwa Aki.